Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We've got a 2021 Catalina 343BHTSLE. Battery disconnect, power tongue jack. This is a bunkhouse model. Got power awning with LED light strip. That's multicolored, and you can control it with a remote, the colors. It's very cool. Got a camp kitchen, mini fridge, faucet, and griddle. Rear storage system, hold up to 200 pounds. This unit has a black tank flush, leash link, outdoor speakers, solid entry step, an extra large grab handle by the entry door. Got a jackknife couch, dinette, that drops down to a bed. We got the fireplace, has multiple colors, puts out heat, and the new ETV. You've got the FM radio, Bluetooth, front and rear HDMI ports, USB charging. Very, very cool. Furrion range, oven, microwave, 12-volt refrigerator, on-off switch right here, travel lock built right in, I've got our shower area, lots of storage here. We'll come back to our bunks, room for another TV, upper bunk. Then I call them the game cubes. They fold out, extra sleeping area. Front bedroom, second air, lots of room here. USB charging ports on both sides of the bed. Got an outlet. Full front closet. Lots of room for shoes and all kinds of good stuff. Then this unit is also prepped for a washer dryer, or just use it for a closet. Room for more TVs. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.